Winter for a child means snowball fights, sledding hills, and splashing through the slush. For parents, it means finding a pair of snow boots that can withstand this enthusiastic activity while reliably keeping small feet warm, dry, and safe. In this episode, we explore 4 of the most popular and highly rated options that deliver on protection, ease of use, and rugged build.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Dream Pairs Snow Boots. Dream Pairs snow boots are a consistent favorite among parents because they successfully marry functional cold weather protection with attractive, versatile styling at an accessible price point. A textured TPR outsole delivers strong grip on slick surfaces, keeping every winter step steady and secure. The water-resistant upper shields little feet from moisture, allowing kids to enjoy snowy playtime while staying comfortably dry. These boots feature 200 grams thermalite insulation to maintain warmth, and the cozy faux fur collar helps block snow from getting inside. Stylish D-ring eyelets paired with adjustable laces let kids tighten the boots for a snug, customized fit. Designed for easy on and off, they include an inner zipper that also helps prevent water and snow from seeping in. The Dream Pairs brand provides an excellent overall value, delivering the necessary insulation and waterproofing for school, playtime, and general winter errands. On number 2, we have Cior Snow Boots. Cior snow boots are often celebrated for their emphasis on maximum warmth and a simple, user-friendly design, making them ideal for even the youngest winter adventurers. These boots frequently feature an extra thick thermal lining, often synthetic fleece or dense fur, that provides superior insulation, keeping feet comfortable in genuinely cold conditions. A bungee cord closure at the top helps block out cold air, while the plush fur lining delivers consistent warmth even in freezing temperatures. The waterproof Oxford upper keeps out wind and snow, and the elevated heel design ensures kids can enjoy winter fun comfortably. A convenient hook and loop strap makes it easy for kids to adjust the fit on their own. Reflective detailing on the back of the shaft enhances visibility in low light for added safety. The non-slip rubber outsole provides dependable traction and better movement control to help prevent slips and injuries. On number 3, we have UBFEN Snow Boots. UBFEN snow boots distinguish themselves with a strong focus on superior waterproofing and rugged durability, engineered to withstand the most aggressive stomping through slush and mud. The waterproof synthetic and fabric upper keeps feet dry so kids can enjoy snowy days without worrying about wet shoes. The non-slip rubber outsole provides reliable traction, helping prevent slips and injuries. Designed for warmth, these boots are perfect for cold winter weather and outdoor activities like camping, hiking, running, playing, sledding, or ski trips. They're lightweight for comfortable walking, and the easy pull-on design allows kids to put them on and take them off independently. UBFEN designs are generally built to last the entire season, making them a smart investment for active kids who spend hours outside. They are the ideal boot for children whose winter activities involve significant exposure to deep snow and unavoidable wet conditions. On number 4, we have Komforme Snow Boots. Komforme snow boots are often highlighted for their attention to stability, foot support, and excellent deep tread traction. These boots are designed not just to keep feet warm and dry, but to provide a secure, stabilizing fit that is beneficial for navigating uneven winter terrain like icy trails or bumpy snow mounds. These kids' snow boots are lined with thick faux fur to keep little feet cozy and warm during chilly weather. The durable rubber outsole delivers strong traction and stability on slick surfaces, helping kids move safely through snow and ice. A convenient pull bungee lacing system provides a secure fit while making the boots easy to slip on and off. The 4mm plush rebound insole adds superior cushioning and support, ensuring lasting comfort throughout the day. Designed with a shiny, fashionable look, these boots let kids stay stylish while enjoying all their favorite winter adventures. So these are some of the best boots to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.